In this video, I will show you how to buy a gift from someone's Amazon wish list. First, go to your Amazon account. Then, left-click on your account here. There will be many options available. Look for the Your Lists option and click on it. After that, click on the Your Friends tab. Over here, you can see your friends' wish list if they are added to your Amazon account. You can message them if you wish. The other method is to choose the registry. For this example, I will choose the baby registry. Scroll down and you will be able to search for a name. I will use Adam as an example. You can even specify the city and state the person lives in. You can also choose arrival dates, but I will skip this. Upon clicking search, I narrowed it down to just a few. Now I will choose this. Now I will select this gift that they bought. You can proceed to add to cart and go to checkout to pay for it now if you wish. That is it.